So let me create running notes for today. And this one should be data types. And 19. Yep. Fine then. Let me open material also. You can easy to understand. Online team, I hope my voice is clear. Can I get a response from anyone? Okay, so let's continue. Prior to this one, we already covered the topics. What all topics we have covered, just yesterday we covered a topic. The topic name is called as a variables. What is the topic name, sir? From this one, we understand what is a variable and how to create a variable. What is the syntax also we have seen. The naming convention. Whenever you are creating a variable, you have to give all or lowercase only. All or what case actually? Lowercase only. You should not provide uppercase. And left hand side, name of the variable. Right hand side, value of the variable. That's one we covered. Next one will be a single, in a single line, we can create a group of variables. Group of what exactly? Variables. And next point will be a single value we can still assign with group of variables also. These are all things still we can cover. And variable reinitialization. What is the topic name actually? Variable reinitialization. Who missed yesterday's session? That is a bit important actually. Now today let me continue. The topic name is called as a data types. What is the topic name, sir? Data type. A new function we are going to introduce. That function name is called as a type actually. In this chapter we are going to introduce. Till now we have seen, we are aware about the three errors value. Three errors actually. Cheppandi, what is the first one? Syntax error, name error, value error. One more time. Syntax error, name error, value error. Good. Now, data types. Daniel, what do you mean by data type actually? The data type represents the type of the data. Cheppandi, type of the data. Good. Let me create three variables actually. A equals to, I would like to create a variable A equals to 10, B equals to 1.2 actually, 1. What exactly 2, and C equals to. There are three variables I have created. There are how many variables I have created, sir? Three variables. The first variable, hold on here. Daniel, can you tell me what are the name of the variables? Name of the variables. Name of what exactly? Variables. What are all name of the variables? A, B, C. What are all value of the variables? Any idea? Yeah, value of the variables actually. Variables. I just wanted to confirm. 10. Next one will be 1.2. Next one, Daniel actually. It's okay, Daniel. Now here is the point. Daniel, can you tell me type of variables? Can you tell me what exactly, sir? Type of variables. What are all type of variables would you have, This a number, I would like to say without a decimal, it is called as a integer. Cheptarandaru? Integer. A number without a decimal, it is called as integer. The next one will be 1.2. It is called as a floating data type. What data type, sir? A number with decimal. The next one will be Daniel value. What value, sir? Daniel. This is called as a string. I mean to say, this integer, float, string, these are all called as a data types. These are all called as what exactly mean? Now let me continue about this discussion. You will get an idea actually. Whenever you are creating a variable, here we are storing a value. Every value having the type. Cheppandi. Every value having what exactly? Type. That is nothing but a data type. That is nothing but what exactly? Data type. So a data type represents the type of the data stored into a variable or memory. Stored into a variable or what exactly, sir? Memory. Memory. You need to understand this one. I would like to create one example. You will get an idea. Come on, look at my screen, everybody. Notepad++. I hope I didn't cover for you. Let's open one example. So there are three variables we are creating. Employee underscore ID 101. The next one will be name. Let me create Daniel, and let me even create salary equals to 10,000.36. Just imagine dollars. Now please make a note. Let me print employee name. I would like to say my employee ID is column symbol, and here you need to provide what exactly, sir? Employee ID. The next line, let me just try to print employee name. Employee what exactly, sir? Name. Now here let me just try to print name actually, and even I would like to print my salary. My salary is team. In the given example, we are creating a three variables. At the same time, we are printing the variables, and we are printing some proper information also. We are printing some what exactly, sir? Proper information also. This example reflects to the same. Please make a note on this one. Let me run this example, sir. You can just try to run this one. You will get an idea. Yeah. Good, Daniel. Now it's a right time. I wanted to check the data type. Chapani, can you tell me? I wanted to check the data type. We can check the data type by using, there is a one predefined function. Function name is called as a type. Tell me your one. Type. Type actually. Now let me show you how to check. I would like to say emp underscore id data type is. Daniel, data type is. What is a data type, Daniel, actually? Now here you need to call a function. Function name is a emp. The function name is called as a type of name of the variable. You need to specify here actually. Now the next one. Name data type is. And column symbol, and here type of predefined function. And here you need to specify name. And print salary data type is. And what is the function name here you need to call? Type. Tim, I have one small question. Please look at my screen. Can you tell me what is this? Predefined function. You have to tell everyone. What is that one? Predefined function. Same thing like that in Python programming language. There is one more predefined function. That predefined function name is called as a type. Type is a predefined function. By using that, we can check the data type. We can check what exactly? Data type. I mean to say, let us take humans are two types. One is the male, next one is the female. Same thing like we have a different data types actually. We have a different data types. I would like to run this example. Please make a note on this one. So the 101, it is representing with int. This is something like a int means Python follows shortest notation. Int means this is something like a integer data type. What data type, sir? Integer. The Daniel, it is something like a str, means string data type. What data type? String. Then this one is called as a floating data type. What data type, sir? Floating data type. Floating actually. Okay. Daniel, I wanted to print some gap in between this output and other output, means what exactly? A empty print statement you can write, then you will get some empty output here actually. A kind of some good separation. I wanted to print output actually. Okay. Now we are continuing. Actual session will start now. Fine, let's make a note. Can you tell me about this one? Type is a predefined function in Python. Chappanandru, type is a predefined function in Python. Daniel, by using this one, what we can do? We can check the data type, sir. We can check what exactly data type of variable. Data type of what exactly variable actually. That's what we need to do. As of now, we already covered one predefined function previously. Go back. And here we already covered one predefined function. Let me cover one more predefined function. Function name is a type. Cheppandi, what is the function name? Type actual. To check the data type. To check what exactly, sir? Data type. Data type. So let me drink water, please. Yes, boss, please. By using, yeah, just even we have covered actually. Type is a predefined function. So by using this, we can check the type of variable. By using this, we can check what exactly type of variable. Yesterday, someone asked one question. The question will be, let me explain about that. Yesterday, one guy asked one question over online. The question will be, let me create a two variable, a equals to 10, b equals to 20. You can print by using this one, and even you can print by using this one actually. Daniel, can I print both variables in a single print statement actually? You can print. I wanted to print both the statements in a single print statement actually. You can print. Now what we can do, Chapani, hello print child, how to print actually? A comma B. Very good. A comma what exactly? B. Like this you can print actually. Now let me check the data type. Let me check what exactly mean? Data type. Right. Sir, whenever you are checking the data type, please make a note. Type is a predefined function. It accepts only one variable at a time. It accepts only one variable. It's not like a print actually. You can use both variable. No. You should not provide. If you are providing, you will get an error. If you are providing, you will get what exactly, sir? Error actually, right? So print type of A, you can print actually. And here also what we can do, type of B. Type of what exactly mean? B you can print. Now run this example, you will get an idea. Exactly. Here we are getting, this one should be integer and this one should be what exactly? Integer. Yeah. I have a small question. Total how many variables we are using, sir? Come on, please be more active. How many variables? Two variables. How many functions? Two functions. First one, print. Second one, type. One more time. First one, print. Second one, type. These two are the predefined function. These two are what exactly? Predefined. Print is a predefined function. By using that, we can display the data. We can display the value. We can display the values of variable actually. Type is a predefined function. By using that, we can check the data type. By using that one, we can check what exactly data type. So this is something like a checking purpose. Best example, you can go for doctor. So if you're having a fever, they can use thermometer. Am I right or not, sir? To check either you are really having the fever or not actually. Same thing like that. By using type predefined function, you can check the data type. Either it is an integer, float, these are all things actually. Now I am sure you understand how to check the data type. Daniel, can you tell me how many types of data types would you have? 1 minute, let me talk with the online team. Online team, I hope you're following. Can I get a response from you? Online team? Yeah. Let me close these all. Yeah, thank you for responding. What are all we are not using? Let me close actually. Now, yes. Please, let's move on. There are two types of data types. Listen, minimum 2 interview questions from this chapter actually. Minimum how many interview questions? 2 interview questions. The whole chapter takes minimum 2 hours time. Let us try today how long time we can cover actually. There are two types of the data types, Daniel. The first one is a built-in data types. What is the first one, sir? Chappandi? Built-in data type. It is also called as a predefined data types. What data types, boss? Predefined. I mean to say it is already defined actually. The second one is called as a user-defined data types. What is the second one? User-defined data type actually. Right. When you're talking about the first one, built-in data type, these are all, it will come under built-in data types actually. Daniel, what do you mean by built-in? The data type which are already available existing in Python are called as a built-in data type. It means to say that the very first step, we guys need to be install Python. Once you done Python installation, by default those data types will come. By default few data types will come. These are all data types are called as a built-in data types. Sir, built-in in the sense, by default it is available. We no need to create actually. Just we have to reuse. Just we have to what exactly? Reuse. Can you tell me there are mainly two types of data type? First one is what exactly, sir? Chappanandru. Built-in data type. One more time. Second one is a user-defined data type. Built-in data types means these are all by default it is available. By default these are all available. These are all called as a built-in data types actually. Now let me explain. Step by step I will explain. Daniel, there are two types of data types. Okay. The first one will be built-in data types. It is also called as a predefined, predefined data types. Predefined data types actually. And second one will be user-defined data type. Now let us have a discussion. The first one will be built-in data types. Let me talk about this one. Built-in data types. The first one. Please make a note on this one. What is this one you need to buy? Tim, very, very important. Get ready to understand. Built-in means by default it is available. By default it is available. If you want, let me give one small fun example. Imagine when I was born. By default, hands, legs, head, these are all by default it is available. But let me tell you, courage, love, these are all by default is not available. We need to build actually. That is called as a user-defined. That is called as what exactly? User-defined. Good. So under this built-in data type, the first category is called as a numeric data type, sir. What data type? Numeric data type. Okay. The first one we'll see numeric data type. Under numeric data type, there are mainly three types of data types. How many, sir? Three types. But the third one is not using. Especially do become as a data scientist actually. First one is a integer. Second one is a float. Third one is a complex. Third one is what exactly, sir? But we are not using that in a real time. And the second one is called as a bull data type. What is the second one, sir? This bull data type is also called as a Boolean data type. So generally Python follows the shortest notation. You have to pronounce this one is a Boolean data type, but backend the notation will be bull actually. And third one is called as a none data type. Come on, can you please tell me? None data type. One more time, none data type. The next one is a sequence data type. Sequence actually. Under sequence, these are all respectively we do have. This one is called as a important built-in data types. These are all what exactly important built-in data types. You will understand. These are all step by step actually. Get ready. Get ready. Step by step we can see. The first one will be numeric. Numeric. Under numeric, the first one is called as a integer. The second one is called as a float. Okay, cool. Now, when you're talking about the integer data type, it's a very simple, sir. Daniel, what do you mean by integer data type? A number without a decimal. Simple. The definition is a very simple. I mean, it's a number. It's what exactly, sir? Number. Okay. But without a decimal. Without what exactly? Decimal. I'm sure you already know. Number two types actually. First one will be with decimal. Second one is a without a decimal. So the best example will be you are creating. Sometimes your answer should be integer. Sometimes imagine you're asking about my age actually. If I replied something like a 16, that is integer result. What result, sir? Integer. If you're asking about my salary, $10,036 actually. Just imagine. Tim, this one is called as a number without a decimal. Okay. And it is called as a integer. It is called as what exactly? Integer. Chaptara, this one is a number with a decimal. This is called as a float. That's what you need to be understand. So simple, but here can I use 16.3 actually? You can say, but not that much sense actually. Are you with me or not, sir? So based on the data, based on requirement, the data, it can be integer value, it can be what exactly, sir? Floating value actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay, good. I hope you got a clear picture. Online team, hold on. Online team, kindly spare some time, please. I request you. Now let me show you practically. Come on, I would like to execute one example. A equals to 99 I'm taking. As of now, let me talk about integer, and you can just try to print A, and you can just try to type of A actually, sir. Now let me run this example. You can kindly please make a note on this. Open coding folder. I wanted to run this example. Then in this location, you guys need to open command prompt, and here you need to run the program. To run a program, you need to use the command actually. What is that command name, sir? Chaptara? Py name of the file. Py what exactly? Name of the file. Name of the file. We can run this one. Yeah, exactly. You are printing the value kind of 99, and you, at the same time you are checking the data type. What is the data type, sir? Int. Int means integer. What exactly? Integer. Now let me tell you, if anyone is coming from Java programming background, to represent a number without a decimal, there are two data types in Java, but in Python only one data type actually. And here it can take very long values with very conveniently. So such a big number actually, such a very big number, right? Now let me run this example. Still it is representing with integer only. But in Java programming language, separate data type is required. That is called as a, anyone knows Java here? Yeah, good. Long data type. What data type? Long data type. But in Python, only one data type. That is called as the integer. It can store very large values with very conveniently actually. I need a response from you. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let me take these two in a running notes. And here, this one will be 99. And here, even this one should be something like this actually. Okay, cool. Let's move on, please. Okay, move on with the discussion. Yeah. So the numeric data type represents kind of some number. You know, these are divided into three category: integer, float, complex. Complex we are not using. Integer data, not using in a real-time projects, which is belongs to data science. Which is belongs to what exactly? Data science. Good. So integer data type represents a number without a decimal value. In Python, there is no limit for integer data type. There is no limit, sir. You can store very large values. This is seriously beautiful. It can store very large values conveniently. This is just a matter of 2 digits. It is okay. So many digits actually. Am I right or not, sir? Come on, please. You can easy to understand. Today onwards, can I maintain kind of some kind of note here actually? What is a kind note, you know? Notes that we have to tell actually. Can you tell me how to recognize by this term? A is what exactly, sir? Name of the variable. Chapanandru? Name of the variable. Very good. And can somebody tell me what is the print actually? Name of the function. Okay. You are telling that is the exact right answer actually. Predefined function. And can you tell me what is the type actually? Same. Chapani. Predefined function. Predefined what exactly? Function. Now today try to realize one new point actually. The point will be learning about Python means learning about predefined functions. How we are using, how these functions are rendering, how these functions are responding. Based on requirement. Hey Daniel, I wanted to print only the variable. You can use print statement, sir. Daniel, after printing the variable, I would like to check the data type. I would like to check what exactly, sir? Data type. Then you need to call a function. Function name is what exactly? Type. Chappanandru, what is that one? Type. Type is a predefined function. This one should be P. P means parameter. What is a parameter? We can talk later actually. We can talk later. Okay. Now, please understand even this one. Float data type. What is the next one, sir? Float data type. Simple. It is a number with decimal value. It is a just number with decimal value actually. With what exactly, sir? Decimal value. Let me create kind of some salary equals to 10,000 dot what exactly? 36. Let me just try to print salary. We are printing salary, and at the same time we are printing type of salary. Yeah, you are getting an output. Can you tell me, team, what is the data type actually? Float. First one, what we have seen? Integer. Second one, float. Till now we have seen two data types actually. These are all belongs under numeric. Can you tell me what is the first one? Integer. Integer. But Python follows the shortest notation. You need to call as a int. Good. And second one will be floating data type. What data types are? Floating. And you can simply call as a float. Simple. Very simple. Next to data type name is called as a bull data type. What is the next one? Bull. Also called as a Boolean data type, sir. What data type? Boolean data type. Here one important interview question. Please make a note on this one. Did you remember? Even let me tell you, the data type name is called as a Boolean data type, Daniel. To understand about the Boolean data type, you guys need to understand about one point actually. The point will be, please make a note. This is important. So in my childhood, especially when I was in 6th standard actually, every day I used to go to school. First question, what is the question? Is math faculty came? Is math faculty what exactly, sir? Came or not actually? Came or what exactly not? What might be the answer actually, Chapan? Either, Chapan, either, yeah, yes or no. Okay. Sometimes whenever you're asking a question, the question answer can be either it is yes or what exactly? No. In Python also we would have a we can answer. This is normal English, but do you wanted to reply in a Python actually? Yes is equals to what exactly? No, true. Yes is representing with what exactly, sir? True. No is representing with what exactly? No, false. That's what you need to be understand. These true and false values are called as a Boolean values. What values, man? Boolean values. Are you getting or not, sir? I mean to say, hey, Daniel, 10, sir, 10 is integer. It is okay. Daniel, 1.2, Daniel, it is what exactly? Floating value. Daniel, I do have a true value. Now tell me, Boolean value. What value, sir? Chapal andaru. Boolean value. Boolean value. Right? So, sometimes whenever you're working in real time, definitely I would like to answer something like a yes. Instead of yes, what to need to reply, true. What exactly meant? True actually. Hold on. Now let me show you one example. Let me write one example here. A equals to true. And let me just try to, sorry. Let me even just try to print A. And I wanted to check the data type. How to check the data type? Print of what exactly? Can I print it directly like this? No. Just calling type function, it won't work actually. If you want, let me show you. You will get an idea. Type function just you are calling. Type function what you are doing, sir, just you are calling. But you are not using print statement. You are not using what exactly, sir? Print statement. Let me just try to call this one. No output, sir. Already the function is executed actually. If you wanted to see the output, what we need to do, we have to use print function. What function, sir? Print function. Yeah, print of the type of, name of the variable. We need to use like this actually. Then you can see the data type value, what value you are printing. What value you are printing, sir? True. And at the same time, it is printing what exactly? Data type. What data type actually? Bull data type. Bull data type. Let me even try to create one more variable, b equals to false. And here let me just try to print b. And here I would like to print type of a and type of what exactly mean? B actually. Please make a note on this one. Now run this example. Exactly. You will get a clear picture actually. Now here let me tell you what is the interview question here, Please listen this one. Here the interview question will be A equals to true and B equals to what exactly? In between double quotes, let me write here true actually. Now let us just try to print A and even let me just try to print what exactly? B. Let me check the output, sir. What is output you are getting actually, Chapani? True, true. But do you think both are same actually? No, not at all. This one is interview question. They will ask actually. Can you please tell me the difference actually? So if you know the fundamental, you can easy to understand. Sir, first one is a Boolean data type. What is the first one, Chapani? Boolean data type. This one is Boolean Daniel actually. And the second one is what data type? String data type. What data type? In between double quotes, if you are giving anything, yes, it is capable to print actually. It can print. It can what exactly mean? Print. Please make a note on this one. Boolean data type. Yeah, yes, boss. This one is string data type. String data type. One more important point. One more important point. Come on, listen carefully, everyone. Today, the top. What is the running topic today? Data types. What is the topic name, sir? Data type. Yeah. To understand today topic, first point you should be very clear in yesterday topic. Sir, these are all interconnected each other. If you understand first chapter, then only second chapter. 1 and 2, then only third chapter. Like this actually. Yesterday, what we have covered, how to create a variables we have covered. Boss, what we have covered? How to create a variables. Generally, after creating a variable, it's a right time. Variable can store the data. Variable can store what exactly? I wanted to see what type of the data. I wanted to see what type of the data. Then you should understand about the topic. The topic name is called as a data types. What is the topic name? Yeah. So in Python programming language, we do have a mainly two types of data types, boss. How many types of data types? Two types. The first one is a built-in data types. What is the first one? Madam, what is the first one? Built-in data type. Second one is user-defined data type. What do you mean by built-in data types, Daniel? The moment when you install Python, by default few data types will come. These are all called as a built-in data types. It is also called as a predefined data type. One of the data type name is called as a numeric data type, sir. What data type? Numeric data type. Sir, please make a note on this one. Whenever you're talking about the data means what exactly? Collection of facts. Chapani? Collection of facts. Okay. What do you mean by facts actually? Did you remember? Numbers. What exactly? Numbers. Okay, numbers. With decimal. Next one is what exactly? Without decimal. Fine. Without decimal. Without decimal. With decimal is called as a float. Without decimal is called as a integer. From here the definition will come actually. That's what you need to be understand. Yeah, Daniel, it's a collection of facts. What do you mean by fact? First point is the numerical data. When you're talking about the numerical data, there are two things. The first one will be floating data point. Next one will be integer data point. When you are using in real time, sir, float. On daily we are using integer. Let me tell you one small example. You went for vegetable market, sir. You went for what exactly? Vegetable market. And we bought for 1 kg onion actually. How much actually? 1 kg onion. Imagine you're asking 1 kg. I'm sure here you can see 1.10 also they will give actually. Am I right? Next one will be gold shop actually, sir. What shop actually? Gold shop. Do you think if you're asking 1 kg, they will give 1.10 actually? No. Their floating really matters. What matters, man? Yeah, in a vegetable market, floating doesn't matter at all. They won't care at all actually. But when you're talking about the gold shops especially, 0.1 also matter. Am I right or not, sir? Chappandi. That's what you need to be understand. Based on real-time requirement, you need to understand. Okay. All right. Let me drink water, sir, please. Online team, I hope you're following, sir, please. Yeah. What example I have covered? Let me take this example in a, I hope you already taken, I guess. Yeah, good. Keep continue. The next point. In Python programming language, if you have created a equals to true and b equals to false, this one is bit important point. In Python, true, it is representing with what exactly, one value. True means what exactly, one. False means 0. False means what exactly? 0. Let us prove practically. Let us prove what exactly, sir? Practically. You will get an idea. You can just try to create a true and what exactly? False. Now we'll do one thing. A plus A. See, you will get an idea. What is the first? Can somebody tell me? A plus A means if you are using arithmetic operator, what operator, sir? Arithmetic operator. LHS value and RHS value, you are providing true and true. What result you will get? Sir, 2 result you will get. What result actually? This one is a confirmation. You will get an idea actually. I mean to say, Daniel, how you got it 2 actually? Simple. This one became something like a 1. This one also what exactly? 1. Final result will be what exactly? 2. This notation, you should have an idea. Important. This notation is very important actually. It's a right time. I need to open the material. Let us just try to walk through the material. Boolean data type represents Boolean values in Python. Bool data type having only two values. Only what exactly? Two values. Let me cover this point. Boolean data type having only two values. Okay. Daniel, what do you mean by that? Let me show you practically. Tim, let me tell you, when you're talking about integer, any value you can take. Daniel, can I take 10 values? Sir, you can take. Can I take 20, 30, 40? I would like to say no limit actually. Am I right or not, sir? But Daniel, I would like to take only Boolean value. Only what exactly mean? Boolean value. Only two values you need to take. Chepandi. Either, cheptara? Either true or what exactly? False. That's it. That's what I wanted to highlight. Boolean data type having only two values. What are all those values? Either true or false, but not but not any other value actually. Especially Daniel, when we are using this Boolean in a real time, the upcoming topic name is. Do you want to see the material? The upcoming topic name is a flow control chapter. Let me show you that. There we are using Boolean, sir. You can just let me open the material. We have a nice material. You will understand. Here it is, flow control chapter. Not only flow control chapter, operator topic also. And you can just try to flow control. Come on, please look at my screen. Yeah, can you tell me what is this two value actually? Can somebody tell me true or what exactly, sir? False. True or false actually? Kindly please make a note on this one. Here we are using, and one more topic, the topic name is called as a operators. What is the topic, sir? Operators. And here also we are using. If you want, you can just try to relational operator especially. And can you tell me what is this one? Boolean type. Now today, if you really understand Boolean data type actually, get ready. In upcoming chapter we are using actually. Simple man. There are only two types of Boolean value. Chapter, what is the first one? True. Madam, tell me. False. First one is a true. Next one, false. Simple. As simple as that actually. As simple as that. All right. Yeah. One more point. Here, this point you have to please make a note. Here onwards, whenever you are looking at our example, online team, any questions, please. I have seen few guys are raising your hand. Do let me know if you are having any questions actually. Okay, somebody is asking, can you please try with other alphabets? I will try, sir. As I told you previously, in our material, till to the last material, I would like to display all examples with like a within the box representation. The first one I would like to tell what is the purpose of the program. Next one I would like to tell name of the program, and at last you can see the output actually. And in between from here to here, this one is a program. This one is what exactly, sir? Program. But please make a note. Whenever you are using a program, whenever you are writing a program, if keyword comes, what exactly, sir? Keywords. I'm habituated to highlight with the red color so that it is eye catchy. You can easy to understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let me tell you. Then let me ask you one question. Why it is red color? Keyword. One more time. Why it is red color? Please make a note on this one. Okay. Somebody is asking one more question. Let me tell you. Sir, can you try with other alphabet? Shubham, now I will try, sir. Will there any runtime project taken in course actually? Will there any runtime project taken in course? I'm sorry, sir, I didn't understand. JAY. I'm sorry. Can you please repeat your question one more time or else elaborate your question? Shubham. Array Daniel, can you try with other alphabet? Sure, sir, I will try. A equals to true. I'm sure it is valid actually. Python will accept this one valid. Now let me tell you, Daniel, can I give A equals to kind of some TRUE? No, sir, invalid actually. What exactly mean? Invalid. Yeah, if you want, let me try this one. A equals to what exactly? True. Now you can just try to print A actually. You will get a name error. What error actually, sir? Name error. Chudandi ikkada. Yeah, what error you are getting? Name error. You should not provide any other alphabets actually. Shubham, at least can I give your name actually? No, no, no. You will get an error again actually. You will get a what exactly? Error. That error name is a name error. The one who asked the question, sir, I hope you got it. Sir, around 5+ projects we are doing. Mahinder, 5+ projects actually. Okay. That you can include in your resume. You in the sense anybody can include your resume actually. Fine then. Let's take this example. Let me add here. Sai, you are right. Next data type name is a none data type. What data type? None data. Can I give a small recap actually? Yeah, of course, Daniel. Data types. The first one will be numeric data type. Okay. Under numeric data type, first one is a integer. Next one is a float. Okay. Then next one is a Boolean data type, having only two values actually. What is the first one? True. Next one is a false. Now the next data type name is a none data type. What data type? None data type. None data type. When we can use? Sir, important interview question. And important what exactly? Interview question. And please make a note on this one. Let me show you. Please understand this one. A equals to 10. B equals to 1.23. 1 point what exactly? 23. Good. Let me print this one. A variable, and even let me just try to print what exactly no B variable. Good. And I would like to execute this example. Yes, you are getting output will be 10 and what exactly? 1.23. Let me draw one small diagram also. Now from this diagram you will get a more clarity. The moment whenever you are creating a variable like this actually, you can look at you can just try to understand this one. A variable is created in the backend. Okay, this one is the first variable, and even this one is the second variable. First variable is pointing name of the variable A. Yes, okay. And second variable pointing what is the name of the variable, sir? B. Chappan, sir. B. Please follow the session. If you guys are sleeping, all the best for your career actual. Now here, let me just try to print a value. What is the value, sir? 10. And even let me just try to print a value. What is the value? 20, not 20, 1.23. See, the program what you have written, the backend diagram is exactly like this. In your computer, these are all things are happening in your computer actually. These are all things are happening in your what exactly mean computer. So whenever you are creating a variable, automatically the diagrams it will be created backend like this, the variable actually. Now my requirement is, Daniel, I wanted to create a variable. Okay, sir. But I wanted to create a empty variable. What variable actually? Empty variable. I mean to say, here a variable is holding the data, storing the data, which is called as a 10. Yes, boss. And B is a variable which is storing the data. Now I wanted to create a variable. I wanted to create what exactly? Variable. I don't want to store anything. Then you have to use none data type. What data type actually? Chappan none data type. Let me show you exactly. C equals to none. None or butter none, sir? None actually. Good. Sorry for getting. Let me print C. Now one more important point here actually. Can I check the data type? Now how to check the data type? Print off. Very good. Type of A. The next one will be type of B. And these are all things you can print actually. Let me print type of A, B. Next one is what exactly, sir? C. And even I would like to execute these are all examples. You will get an idea. Please understand this. Now a small point. Can you please guess first data type name? First data type into Chapani? Integer. Second one? Float. Third one? Third one, tell me one more time. One more time. But please make a note actually. It is the backend they have given integer, your answer is valid. Float, your answer is valid. A small update actually. This one is a none type. They have given like that actually. What is the data type name, sir? None type. One more time. None type actually. Please make a note on this. Okay. I will explain one more time, please. A equals to none. Daniel, you have created a variable. Inside that variable, the value is stored like a 10. 10 value is stored actually, valid actually. And I wanted to store 1.2. 1 point what exactly? 2. That is still fine. I wanted to store Daniel. That is still fine. I wanted to create a value. I wanted to create a variable, but no data. You should not make like empty. You should not make it something like what exactly, sir? Empty. RHS, you have to provide value. You have to provide what exactly? Value. You should not make it empty. Sir, if you are providing empty, you will get an error. You will get what exactly, sir? Error. Instead of making empty, you can write one data type. Data type name is a none. Exactly. I mean to say, hey Daniel, as of now, we are working in a project. I know name of the variable, but I don't know the data. I don't know what data actually. At future, I can just try to reinitialize. At future, I can what exactly? Reinitialize. Now, can you tell me output actually? Very good. This is called as a, any idea? ఈ టాపిక్ మనం ఏమంటాం చెప్తారా? Very nice. This is called as a reinitialization. What exactly? Sometimes when you are working in a project, as of now, you know the variable name, but you don't know what data you need to provide. If you don't know what data you need to provide, you have to create with none data type. What data type, sir? Later you can reinitialize. Later you can what exactly? Reinitialize. If you want, let me give one fun example. You will get an idea. One fun example. Even I have told previously. I would like to say my son name. Son what exactly? Son name. Initially no name actually. Initially what exactly, sir? No name. Can I make it empty? No. You have to create none. None. No name Daniel. Son underscore name. Now let me just try to run this example. What is the name actually chaptara? None. I mean to say as of now, none in the sense nothing. Empty actually. Now after 3 months, the name supposed to be assigned actually. According to, kind of some other record, these are all, right? Birthday certificate, these are all. Son underscore name. Though he is my son, I can give Junior Daniel actually. What is the name, sir? Junior Daniel. Now what is the name actually? Tell me. Junior Daniel. That's what you need to be understand. Initially, first 2 months, I don't know what name I need to give. Then you have to assign, according to the coding, you have to assign with none data type. What data type? Yeah, very good. My son. Imagine, or else kid name. I'm sorry, kid name actually. Let me run this one. Here we need to print name of the variable same. Nice. Kid name actually. All right, valid. And I would like to continue. You will get an idea. So please make a note. None data type represents where are all object is available. You can just try to replace with the word. The word is called as a variable as of now. What exactly, sir? Variable. None data type represents a variable that does not contain what exactly mean? Any value. As of now, it cannot contain any value even as per the diagram. If any variable having no value, then we can assign that object with what exactly? None data type. None data type. Team, I have one small question. Can you tell me why red color? Exactly. Very good. Please make a note. In our program, where are all red color I'm representing actually, please make a note that is called as a keyword. Don't ask what is a keyword actually. We already covered. How many keywords in Python? Nice. Very good. Right? Come on, let me just try to create this example. And one more question, let me ask. How many variables we are creating here? One. How many functions we are using? Chappal andaru. 2 functions. Good. Today, let me tell you one small important point. If you really wanted to become very good developer or programmer, the first step what we need to do, first to scan the program with our eyes. We need to scan, and here you need to understand, okay, what is A actually? A is a name of the variable. In your brain, you have to, scan like this automatically, right? Good. The none, it is called as a keyword. It is called, what exactly, sir? Keyword to create none data type. What exactly mean? None data type. Every keyword has its own purpose actually backend. Otherwise, if you want, you can delete that sentence also. That is still fine. It is just keyword. Next one is what exactly? Print. Print is a predefined function. Okay. The next one, what is the type actually? Type also predefined function. Team. Whenever you are looking at these 3 lines, If you are able to explain line by line like this, actually, 99% your understanding is very clear actually. The moment from this A letter till parenthesis, what we have written, you should understand. Listen carefully. I'm going to deliver one small sentence. The point will be, while you are looking at this example, being a data scientist, first you need to recognize how many variables would you have in the given example. How many variables would you have, sir? One variable. And can you tell me how many functions we are using actually? Two functions. I mean to say total. Daniel, how many variables you are using? Sir, we are using one variable as of now. Okay. And how many keywords we are using actually? Yeah, very good. How many keywords we are using? Keywords we are using one keyword actually. How many functions we are using? Like this we need to recognize. మీరు అది ఫస్ట్ అది క్యాచ్ చేయాలి. Then it will be very easy actually. Coding it will become very easy. By looking at the program, I'm repeating again. By looking at the program, you should understand how many variables you are using, how many functions you are using actually. Try to recognize. This is something like, by looking at the person, based on body structure, you are recognizing either male or female actually. Same thing like that. Okay, this one is a function, this one is a keyword, this one is called as what exactly? Variable. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good, good, good. Fine, let's continue. Let us continue. Where are we? This point I can cover later. Regarding the none data type, just 30% only we done actually, and would have a very good discussion in upcoming session. Function and method also can return none data type. This point we will understand more in functions and object oriented programming chapter actually. There is an upcoming topic I'm going to cover. The topic name is called as a none data type. What data type, sir? None data type. None data type. None data type. Good, I'm sure. Till now we understand. Let me give a small recap actually. Even I need your help to give this small recap. Currently we are discussing about the data type. The first one is a numeric data type. Here integer, next one is a float. Chapter sir, integer, next one is a float. The next one is a Boolean data type. Two values. First one is a true. Do you think valid actually? I'm sorry. Do you think valid? Invalid. Why invalid actually? It should be capital letter. It should be what exactly? Capital letter. Now the next data type name is a none data type. What data type, sir? None data type. Only one value, which is something like a none. Cool. Now the next one is called as a sequence. What is the next one, sir? Sequence. Chapter next one is a sequence. Sequence data type. Important. These are all very, very important. Please make a note. I would like to talk with online team. I hope you're following online team. Any questions? Seems to be good. Thank you. Who are all more active? Dinesh, Subham, Josna ma'am, Sai, John. Okay, cool. It is not like I'm talking, you are listening. If you're having any questions, come on, let us have a mutual interaction each other actually. You will get an idea. Okay, fine. Now the topic name is a sequence. Daniel, can you tell me what is a sequence? First of all, these are all under sequences actually. The first topic name is called as a string. What is the first one? String. First of all, let me tell you what is a sequence. Then I will cover these are all things actually. Good. Would you have a different sequences? Would you have respectively? Good, good. Srija ma'am. There is a one question. There are a couple of questions actually. Let me take those. None and none. Both are same or not actually. Nageswara sir, according to the terminology same, but Python will not accept actually. Let me answer these two questions. There are two questions. Valid actually. Let me take these two. The first question will be Srija ma'am. Array Daniel, not array actually, I know it is a sir. What is the difference between string and char actually? Good, let me tell you. Char means single character. Chapter single character. But let me tell you, in still Python, it will still representing that is something like a string data type only. What data type, sir? If anyone is coming from Java, C, C++ programming language, A single character is a different, group of characters is a different. But Python, it can treats like a same. Python have no partiality. Python have what? I'm sorry for kidding. Even though it is a single character or else group of characters, it will still consider like what exactly, string only. What exactly, sir? String only. Then what do you mean by string? Group of characters. Group of what exactly? Characters. This is called as a string. And let me give one small example. When we can use char, gender, G equals to male category. And let me tell you, the next one will be name equals to Daniel. Name equals to what exactly? Daniel. You can just try to print. Can I print here gender? Yeah, good. Gender actually. You can print this one. Still here you can use double quote. Single quote you can use. Single quote or double quote both are valid actually. Ma'am, I hope you got a clear picture. So this is answer actually for your question. Next question. Nageswara sir. Daniel, none and none both are same actually. Sir, in Python both are not same. In Python both are not same. Both are what exactly? Not same. Let me show you the example. A equals to NONE. I would like to say this one is a valid actually. This one is what exactly? Valid. B equals to NONE. Can somebody tell me why this one? First of all, is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Why invalid actually? Somebody told the answer. What is that answer? Case sensitive. What exactly, boss? Case sensitive. What do you mean by that? Python is very sensitive in terms of the case. The one who created Python, exactly he followed the spelling actually, capital NONE, but in between you should not change actually. If you are changing, you will get an error. That error name is a name error. What error actually? Name error actually. Name error, sir. The error will be name error. Name error actually. I hope I answered actually. Let me continue. Thank you. Come on. Like this, please be more active. All right. Now, currently we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a sequence. What is the topic name, sir? Sequence, which is called as a subtopic. Please understand this one. Daniel, first of all, tell me what is a sequence. If you wanted to understand about the sequence, these are all statements are important. Simple, it is a variable. It is what exactly, sir? Variable. Daniel, a sequence is a variable. But the power of this variable will be, it can store group of values. Cheptarandaru? Group of values. That word is important actually. Sequence is a variable, but the sequence can store group of values. Group of what exactly? Value. Hold on, let me show you practically. A equals to 10, it is okay. B equals to 1.23, it is okay. C equals to, Daniel, can I store group of values actually? Sir, you can store. This is what you need to be understand. It's a variable storing a single value. This one also variable storing how many values, sir? Single value. But I wanted to create a variable. Can I store group of values, Daniel? Actually, sir, you can store. Then here, if you wanted to store group of value, you have to use sequence data type. What data type, sir? For your better understanding, this is one of the sequence which is called as a list actually. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this you can store 100 values also. See, the beauty here will be single variable storing single value. This one also variable storing single value. This is not a normal variable. It is a sequence variable. What variable, sir? Which is storing group of values. Which is storing what exactly, man? Group of value. Group of value, right? I would like to say variable stores single value. Here also same. And here is what exactly, sir? Variable stores group of, what exactly mean? Group of variables, group of values. Values actually. I will show you even practically. So please be patient. See. Let me write an example here. Sharma sir, you're right. It is kind of some array. If you're coming from C, C++, Java, it is called as an array data type. Okay. Now A equals to 10, B equals to 1.23 and C equals to, let us create a group of values 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let me just try to print A, and even let me just try to print B, even let me just try to print what exactly C. Here, Tim, look at my screen. A data type is called as a integer data type. Tell me what data type? Integer data type. B data type is called as a floating data type. What data type? Float data type. Here, this data type is called as a list to data type. What data type, sir? Chappalandaru. List to data type. List to data type. List actually. Okay. We can check even the data type also. By using a function. Chaptara, what is that function? Type. Very nice. Type of A. And even the respectively. This one also type of B. And this one also type of C actually. Now you will get a clear picture. Yeah, you will get an idea actually. Daniel, 10 is the integer data type. 1.23 floating data type. A group of values you kept in between square brackets actually. It is still fine. It is called as a sequence data type. The separately which is called as a list to data type. What data type? List to data type. There is a one good website actually. Hold on. There is a one good website. It really shows nice representation. Let me write the same example in that website. That website name is a website name ఏంటంటే Python tutor. చెప్తారు అందరూ Python tutor. You can click on that Python tutor. And here you will get this website actually. And tell me which one I need to click. Do you think Java and C actually? Yeah, good. You should ever actually. This one is a data science session, boss. If anyone came here, unfortunately, Java, please wake up actually. Click on edit code. I'm sorry for kidding. Repeating again. Once you click on Java, once you click on Python, once you have click on what exactly Python, you will get this window. You will get what exactly this window. You can click on edit code. Don't see these are all thing. You can just try to click on edit code. And you can just try to delete these are all thing actually. You can just try to delete these are all. And you can just try to copy paste your code. The code what you have written. Let me just try to take these are all. Yeah. What we have written, I copy pasted here actually. Click on visualize execution. Chodandi andaru. Click on what exactly, sir? Visualize execution. Now, yeah, you can just have to click on last. You can just have to click on, otherwise you can click on next. Okay. The flow starts from here. First one variable is created. Okay, interesting. First one variable is created actually. A is a variable which is storing 10 value. Next one more variable name is a B 1.23. Next one more variable, such a nice variable actually. What is that variable name, sir? C. But do you think single value? No, it is group of value. What is the data type name? List actually. Once all variables are created, then here it will display all output actually. Print. Yeah, it is displaying output. Respectively, next one. Respectively, next one. If you wanted to see Daniel backend, how the variables are storing, this is really good website, man. Website name is a Python tutor. What is that website name? Python tutor. A really good website. Good website. Good. Can I add here actually? Good website. Sharma sir, we can, I'm sorry, not Sharma. Oh, Sharma only. Sivek Sharma sir. Can we use multiple data types in sequence? We can use. Instead of writing 10 to 120, can I write 10 to 60 actually? Srija ma'am, we should not write. If you wanted to write, there is a one data type. The data type name is called as a range data type actually. We'll discuss. We'll discuss actually. Okay, in upcoming session. Now the next point will be sequence data type. 6:37. Today kind of 1 minute. The session goes to 6:40 actually. I do have a small faculty meeting. A short session today. Good. But anyway, tomorrow I will continue. Hold on. Session is not at over. Good. So as I told you, sequence is a variable. It can store group of values. It can store what exactly? Group of. Daniel, what are all sequence data types would we have? First one is a string. First one is what exactly? You can still represent like a str. The second sequence is called as a list to data structure. What exactly? List. Otherwise, you can also call as a list to sequence actually. The third one is called as a tuple. What exactly mean? This you need to pronounce tuple, but not tuple actually. But not what exactly? Tuple. Please spell out like a tuple actually. The fourth one is a set. Fifth one is a dictionary. And the sixth one is a range data type. What data types are? Range data type. These are all things actually. First one is a string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Next one is a range data type. Range data type. So let me continue from here tomorrow actually. Tomorrow I will continue. In a next session I will continue. We are sorry today kind of some short meeting, short session actually. Due to I do have some personal work. All right, we done for today's session. 1 minute. So Muninder sir, we can add actually. Maybe even yesterday I explained. There are two ways. By learning the course, we can create a resume that is called as a trained data scientist actually. The second option will be from the 5 years, what you can do, the last 3 years you can take and you can add an experience. That is still possible actually. That is still possible. Okay. All right, man. When we can resume material. Sir, Dinesh sir, just now I texted to Naresh IT admin. Sorry, I didn't get a response. Let me talk with them. After this session, I can talk actually. All right, thank you. We done for today's session. A short session. We are sorry for this one. Thank you. Thank you so much.